Today I want to give you a quick overview of the court's process for obtaining things that go along with probate estates and conservatorships, specifically annual status reports in all of those cases, and inventories, property management plans, and accountings based on what type of case you have. Now, the clerk is going to send out a notice in Davidson County. Some counties don't do this. But in Davidson County, you will get a notice saying, hey, your status report is due by X date. So let's say your status report is due by January 1st. Now, this is a little tricky because they won't actually let you file the status report until January 2nd. But if you have an attorney, your attorney should be on top of that, know when that date is, and have it ready to be filed on January 2nd. The thing that happens if you do not file that status report or other document on the due date or very close to the due date, usually a few weeks after, if you have not filed, the clerk's office automatically sends this citation document, and it will give you a date to submit the filing. So this is kind of like a hard reminder that you have something due to the clerk and you need to get it in. Now they're going to give you a date. So let's say they give you a date of March 1st. The language on this document says you shall appear before the clerk to submit the status report. And then it gives you basically all day. Realistically, you're going to be working with your attorney to make sure they have everything they need and they will e-file it for you. Now, in the event that you do, and that takes care of it. Once the thing is filed, you're good. Now, until next year. Now, if you do not file it by the date that is listed on the citation, so in our situation, we've got March 1st. If you don't file it by March 1st, the clerk's office is going to issue what's called a show cause, and that will come from either the judge or the probate master, and that is really your absolute final deadline, because at that point, the judge or the probate master has summoned you to court to say, here's why I didn't file my status report. So it's really a situation where you have a few chances to file, but you really do want to get that in as soon as possible. And your attorney will work with you. They should be giving you reminders as well. But this is what the citation looks like. And then it will be sent to you as well as your attorney. And if your attorney is e-filing, they should receive a notice in their inbox that you have received a citation, and they should know about it and be working on it. But a citation is not a reason to panic. A show cause is a reason to panic. But if you get a citation, don't panic. Contact your attorney. Hopefully they're already working on it, or they can't complete it because they need something from you. I hope that helps. I hope you get all of your status reports in on time. And if there's anything we can do to help, please let us know.